Hello, good evening everyone. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Right. Okay. Everyone is able to hear me? Swami, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Good, good. We'll start here creating the first visualforce page by using URL. Everyone enable the development mode or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone enable the development mode or not?
Yes, Kishu.
Yes. See, I will show you one more time. Click on the setup, user menu. Okay, my settings.
Get settings.
After that, personal.
Personal.
Go to advanced user
Advanced
details.
user.
Yes. After that, go to edit. Come to right side here. Can you find the development mode here? By default, you're going to have this one. Okay. So you have to check it. Check this and click on the save. Clear? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Sir.
Yes, like this you have to enable it. After that, we need to go for creating the first visualforce page. How to create the visualforce page? Nothing is there, man. See, by using URL, we can create the visualforce page. Look at here, we have the URL is there. First, you are having your custom domain, right? I will show you this. Look at that. Here I have the custom domain here. After that, setup is there here. Okay. Force.com home page is there here. Now, what we need to do, if you want to create a first page, after your custom domain, you are going to get a forward slash. After that, keep your cursor. Everyone is able to see my cursor,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? After keeping your cursor, just press on the delete button there. After that, type apex, apex, apex. After that, again forward slash, your page name, right? Your page name you have to mention there here. What are the name? Okay, what are the page you are going to give here? That name you have to mention there. Right? For example, my page name is my first VF page. That's the page name I'm going to provide there. My first VF page. That's the page name I'm going to provide here. That's the page name. Okay, man. Or one, my page name one, my page name two, my page one, page two, page three. Any name we can provide here this. And after typing like this, you have to press on the enter button there. What happens if you press on the enter button? If my first page is available in the Salesforce, it is going to open directly. If my first page is already available in the Salesforce, it is going to open directly there. If that page is not available in the Salesforce, it is going to throw the error that this page, my first visualforce page is not available. Do you want to create a new page on my first visualforce page? Like this, it will ask a question. Just you have to click on that and the page is going to create there. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Click on the enter button. Press on the enter button. right? Look at that. It's throwing the error here. There. What's the error? visualforce page error. Page. My first VF page does not exist. But do you want to create a page on this? It is asked question there. Yes, you can click on this one. You're going to create a new page. That's all. Finish it. It is your visualforce page. Okay, man. It is your output of your visualforce page there. Okay, you're going to get the output like this. But you need coding there. Code. You should see the code also there. Can you find below one bar? Can you find below bar?
Yes.
Okay, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're going to see that bar here. What you need to do? And that bottom right corner. Can you find it? Up arrow is there. Can you see up arrow here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The two symbols are there here. One is, you can see that to disable the development mode, we are going to use this one there. Already enabled, the development mode is enabled. That you want to disable here, we can use this one there. If you disable here, again you need to go to the my settings and personal advanced details. Again you have to enable that one. But here another up arrow is there. You just click on this up arrow. If you click on this up arrow, below you can see the code, and above for this code, above you can see the output here like this. If you want, you can increase the font size. See that? And if you want, you can decrease the font size here. That is also possible there. Okay. And we have the undo actions also there here. Undo actions are there, and the read actions are also there. And if you want to save this page, can you find right side one button? Save. Can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you want, you can, after typing this code after coding this means that you finish your typing your code. After that, you want to save this page, you can click here this. Not only here, you can press on the Control S button, Control plus S button. Control S button also you can press it here. See that? Look at here. I'm going to remove this unwanted code. Backspace. Just remove it. Just select it and press on the backspace. Select it and press on the backspace. Right? In the keyboard, you can see that from there. And you save it. Control S, save it. Or you can click on this symbol. Anyone. Just you click on this. Okay. You're going to get the output like this. If I'm going to write here, Salesforce online training. I'm going to type it here. Okay. See this? I can press on the Control S button. Are you getting the output here or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to make this. See, I want here this some bold. I want to make this one as a bold there. You know, opening tag and closing tags are going to use there here mostly in this one. There. Opening and closing. Opening tag for the bold, and come here there, and the closing tag for the bold. Closing tag I'm going to use it here. Bold. Okay. See, again press on the S button. See this? See, the font size is in the bold. It in the bold here. This. Normally that you want to write here this, you can see, for example, Salesforce training like this. Okay, you can see. Save. You can see the difference between these two here. Normal and the bold. Okay. But here the lines are see the entire output you are going to display on a single line there. No, not like this. I want to display one by one. Means after this, I should provide here break statement. This break we need to provide here. If you press it here and save it, save is Control S. Every time you have to habituate pressing on the Control S button. You are going to get. Here also I'm going to put the break. Save it. Like this, you are going to get the output. BR means break. B means bold. Bold. Right? Like this, you are going to get the page. So first page you have created like this. See this one. And click on the down arrow. This is the page. Sir, I don't want to see this code. Okay, what we have written the code, I don't want to see this code. One output I want to see. Can you find this and disable development mode option is there or not? Can you
Yes,
find it
sir.
here?
Yes,
Just if you click it here, this you are not going to see the code. All output you can see there. Understand? Okay, that's if you are getting the final output, then you can disable it here. If you are, but the thing is, again we need to go with the click on the setup. Again we need to go with the user menu, my settings, because we need to enable it again. Press on the personal, go to the advanced user details. Again we need to go here and edit, and we have to enable the click on the save. That is disabled, it is enabled there here. Okay, man. Now if you want to open the page, what we created this page, I want to check it here one more time. I want to check it. Okay, you can see in the man, in the recent items already you are going to see it here there. Okay, you can click on this one there. That's not a problem. You can see this is the page that we created there. If you want, you can go with the preview button there here. Click on the preview button, you can see the output here. That's the one way from the recent items there. That's the one way. But the thing is that you want to see all the visual force space what you created. I want to see all the visual force space that we created there. Click on the setup, come to sidebar. We have the administrator, we have the build. In this one, we have the develop. Develop option is there here, and export is develop option. After expanding here, okay, you can see the visual force space there. Click on the visual force space. There, this is the page that you created now. Just now you created there here. When you created, what's the version, application programming interface version there here, last modified data, created data, everything you're going to see. If you want, you can delete here there. Okay, that is the thing that we are going to do it. Okay, man. So if I want to open this page, you can click on this page here. This again the page is going to open, and you can go with the preview button there here. Right? Okay, like this we can do it. By using the URL part, we can create the visual force page like this. Okay, I'm going to create a visual force page by using the standard navigation. Okay, we have seen already there. Standard navigation we have seen there. Just click on that's the URL part. What we need to do is there here. Your custom domain forward slash apex forward slash the page name we are going to provide this. Okay, see here your custom domain like this. This is your custom domain. Okay, your custom domain forward slash apex forward slash okay my first VF page or something name is your wish there. Like this, you are going to use it here. Did you understand how to create the visual first page or not? First page.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. Now we need to go for how to create the visual first page in standard navigation. This one also you have seen already here. Let's go with this. Click on the setup, build, develop, visual first pages. Okay. Click on this visual first pages. There you can go for the new page. Can you find it here?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
just you can click on the new. So there you can create the visual first page. This is the page actually. You have to give the page name. My second page name is your wish. Choice is yours there. Okay, that's the page name. But here the thing is, man, we have not saved this page. We are going to see the code here. I'm going to write something there here like one will be I'm going to write here Surya Texal, and one will be Salesforce classic training, and second thing is Salesforce lightning training. Like this, I want to create the page training. Okay, man. Under the Salesforce classic training, I'm going to provide here this. First is the administration. The second thing is here development. These are the modules. Okay, development, and coming to lightning training, we have like Component development. Second thing is there, builder. So this is the information. Means this one I want to display it here. There. This one I want to display it. But my page is ready there here. Okay, to display something. But here the preview button is inactive there. If I want to check the output, here my preview button is inactive there. Why? We have not saved this page. See, we have the save and quick save is there. Sir, save is enough. Why they have given the quick save? Nothing is there. If we click on the save, this page will save and it will redirect to the some other page. But if you click on the quick save, the page will save and the page will remains in the same. Right? See that? Click on the quick save. Page is saved already and the preview button is activated. And you can see here this, you can go with the preview button there here. Again, you're going to see that output here. This output you're going to see there. Yes, output you're going to see there, but you have entered into the again, see that URL part. Though you create visualforce page by using the standard navigation, okay, the output you are going to enter into the URL part. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Other people? Right. Let me go for
Yes,
this. Okay. Now you can see here, the output is not in a proper way. Let me go for providing the break. That's all. You can go with the save. And let me go for clicking on the save. It is saved. It will enter into the another page there. Look at that. Right now, here also you can click on the preview button there. Both are possible. Both we can do it. Look at that. Okay. Are you getting it? What I'm saying here? And one more break is missed here. This. One more break is missed there. Save it. Are you getting? This is the output that we are going to get it here. Okay. Means you can click on the save. You can click on the preview button. You can click on the quick save. Again, you can click on the preview button there. Like this, you can create the visualforce page by using the standard navigation there. How the standard navigation we are going to create this? Setup. Tell me the navigation there. Setup.
Build.
Okay. Build.
Develop
Develop.
visual force page.
Yes. Visual force page. After that, we need to go to the new page. After that, click on
Save.
save or
quick save.
quick save there, and you can click on the preview button.
Review.
Okay. Preview. Right. Thus, then we are going to get the output. Okay. This is the way to create the visualforce page by the standard navigation. Good. Let me go for creating visualforce page by using the developer console. Okay. Developer console here. Look at that. I'm going to click on the setup. Right. Here also. Go with that. See. Click on the setup. User menu. Setup. User menu. Can you find the developer console here?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
it is
sir.
already the development mode is enabled there. You can open this one there. Now my developer console is opened like this. Okay, you can click here there on the top, double click on it here this. Okay, it will be maximized there. So here, man, we can use this one. Any type of coding you can use it. That may be visualforce page or Apex programming or the lightning programming, or you getting triggers, concepts, components, everything, many things we can do it here this in this developer console. Okay, and okay, look at here this how to create from this. As a developer, you are going to use this one there. Okay, throughout career. Okay, you can use this one there, or you can execute in the VS Code also, Visual Studio Code also, you can execute there. When we go with the Lightning Aura, there we can see how to use the Visual Studio Code. Not now, right? Now you can see here. Can you find the file?
Yes, sir.
Click on the file. Can you find the new button there?
Yes, sir.
New. See that new contains Apex class, Apex trigger, visualforce page, component. See that lightning things, many things are there here. But our work is visualforce page.
Visualforce page.
Click on the visualforce page. Now you have to provide your name. Okay. Page name is every here. This that is, you can say you can say my, I can say institute page. That's the page name. Okay. See, always remember when you create a visualforce page, okay, it is extended with the right. It is given with one namespace is going to provide there. What is that? Visualforce page will be called as a, okay, your page dot VFP. VFP means visualforce page. You're going to get here this, right? Look at that. If I click on the OK, your page is going to create like this. See that? What is the extension here?
VFP.
VF you are going to get here, and automatically tags also given here this. Okay, many fetching things are there from this developer console. What are the things here? You no need to type entire tag. It is not a good habit to choose and to type entire tag here, right? Look at here. I'm going to remove this one. Remove this, and I'm going to type it. See how to type means shift left angle. Are you getting? Okay, right, no problem. Okay, shift left angle. You have to press on the shift button and the left angle APX apex colon. Okay, are you getting? Page indication you need to provide there here. Apex colon PAG. Can you find it? Are you going to find the page tag or not?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Fourth one. Come down. Use your arrows. Come down, down, down. Okay, and press on the enter button. Are you going to get the opening tag and closing tag both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now one more time you press on the enter button. Now one more time you press on the enter button. This is the tag you are going to get it. Don't type manually the entire tag, opening and closing tags. You have to select by using, okay, enter button there. Right? That is done. It is a opening tag and closing tag is finished there. There, I need to go for here. You can find it. Suppose for my page, I want to provide one title there here. And inside my page, I need to provide some details also. I need to provide here. What are the details you can see? Like same details you can provide here. That's not a problem there. We have used already there. In the second page, you have given some information there. You can copy the same thing and you can use in the developer console. Paste it. Okay, you can paste it here. It's like this. Right? Salesforce. I'm going to change it here. Online training. Okay, Salesforce. Lightning. You can provide the online training there. Okay. Salesforce Lightning online training. Salesforce Classic online training. Like this also you can mention here. Something there. Like this, I'm going to create this. Okay, this is the page. And I'm going to provide some bold here there. You can go with okay, you can go with the bold here like this. Okay, man. See, I have saved this page. I'm going to save this page. Click on the controllers. See, in this orange color, the page is saving. You can check it here. Keep your observation there. Save it. It is saving here. This. The page is saved there. Once the page is saved, I need to go with the output. Okay, I need to go with the output there here. How to go with the output? Can you find the preview button there? Left
Yes,
side.
sir.
Okay, means when you click on the preview button, this page will loads. The page will load to give the output. Look at here this. Click on the preview, the page is loading there. Look at that on the top, and it is giving the output here like this. Understand or not? But here in this page, you cannot see the code, man. Here, you cannot write the code here. You cannot see this one there. Okay, whatever the changes that you want to do in the page, you have to do it from the developer console there. Okay, Every time you need to click on the preview button there. Once you have to click on the preview button, that's enough there. But if you do changes there, for example, app builder, I'm going to, the third thing is the recorded sessions. I'm going to provide it here. Recorded sessions. Okay. And if I want to get the output again here for this, if I want to get the output there here, how can I get the output? I need to click on the preview button again. Just click on the save and minimize it. You can see how the page is going to refresh. You can find it here. This. Are you getting this or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this, you can create the visualforce page from the developer console. From the developer console, we can use it here. This is only the ways of creating the visualforce page. Very simple things actually, right? Okay, everyone how to create the page like this and use it here. Next thing is, okay, developer console, how to set up. Next, user menu. Next, developer console. Next, file. Next, new. Next,
Visualforce page.
visualforce page. Next, enter name for the page and say okay there. Okay, man. Okay, say, and after that write code. Okay, after that click on the
Preview.
Save. Save.
Okay, man. Like this, I'm going to use it. Okay, man. That's the thing there. Now, okay, my page is created. Good. My page is created here. This. Okay, up to this. What I want to do? This is the page generally. See, I'm going to use here paint. Click on the paint. Okay, under this. See, what are the page that we created there? I'm going to draw the page. What are the page that we created here? I'm going to draw this page. This is the page that we created now, just before. Now we have created this page, right? This is the page. Okay, or I can go with this like this. Okay, this is the page that we created there. Okay, man. Look at here. For this page, to create this page, what we have used here is, okay, left angle. Try to understand. Left angle, apex colon, page. This is the code we have used there for this to get this page. And we can say that closing tag. Opening tag is above and the closing tag is below. Okay. So if I write the code like this, I'm going to go to the page like this. Up to this, everyone's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
But the thing is, I want to make this page into 2 parts, other 3 parts, or 4 parts, only 2 parts. Getting? Means I want to make this entire page into some blocks, blocks. Okay, block. See how to make this. For example, I'm trying to make this page into, okay, 2 blocks. Look at here this. 2 blocks. It is 1 block. It is another block. This block we are creating from the page. So this block name is page block. This block also we are going to create from the page. So this block name is page block. Look at here this. To get this page block, we need to write the code like this here. Apex colon page block. Opening tag. It is an opening tag there. And in the same manner, we need to write the closing tag also. We are going to write here. Okay, this is the closing tag. Opening tag is there and the closing tag is there. If I write the opening tag and closing tag like this, we are going to get the page block like this. And in the same manner, the same thing we are going to use it below also there. Copy this. Okay, you can paste it here. Same thing we are going to use it for here. Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead to write it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Hello, other people are following or not? I'm
Yes,
hearing
sir, yes,
only one person's name, one person voice there. What about others?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? You have to follow it. Now you can see, open your developer console. I don't want those things there here. Leave it. Press on the space bar. select it and press on the space bar. Okay, or you can press on the delete also. Now, see man, always the tag should be in a slant direction. See, opening tag is there, closing tag is there. Don't put your cursor here. Don't put your cursor, okay, side to this line. Are you getting or not? Just keep some distance there here. Means any number of tags are there in a slanted direction, the code will increases. See that? You can understand there. For example, opening tag and closing tag is there. If my cursor is there here, if I press on this, see that where your cursor is getting? In middle of the tag, we are going to get the cursor. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Sir.
from there, I'm going to write here this. Okay. Left. See, shift left angle, apex colon, page. Are you
Block.
getting the block? Page block here? Anywhere?
Yes.
Come down, 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 down. Okay. And press on the enter button. See that. You may get a doubt, sir. I'm getting like this. If I press on it here, equals to double quotes, I'm getting. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Just click on the Control Z button there. Control Z button. You will be back. After that, why it's showing like that means here? It is asking one more word. Page block. Are you getting or not? One more word. Come down, down means why it is showing means it is getting confusion. Compiler is getting confusion. Based on the page, many things are there. Which one I have to select there? So for that, I'm typing one more word. That is nothing but one more letter. That is nothing but B. So you can come down here. You can select this here. Are you able to understand what I'm saying or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Right? The page block. This is a one page block. Okay. And save this page block. Control S. Save it. And get the output here. Click on the preview button there. You can see how we are getting the output here for this. Are you getting the output here page block or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to
Yes,
see
sir.
this? This is the
Yes,
page
sir.
block. Okay, man. Page block. But I want to create one more page block, man. And take here this. You can copy the center opening tag and close tag and paste it. That's one way. Or if you want to type it here, this apex colon page block. Okay, select here. Like this also you can create here. 2 times you have to press on the enter button. Okay, that. Now you can find it here. Are you getting the 2 page blocks here or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Number of page blocks you can create here. But I will do one thing there. See, man, before we do this one, every tag in visualforce page, visualforce page, every tag in visualforce page are having attributes. Attributes means, see, man, attributes means properties of the tag there. I can write like this. Properties of a tag, a component. We can call it as a tag or we can call it as a component, anything there. చూడండి వీటిని ట్యాగ్ అనొచ్చు, కాంపోనెంట్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. ఓకే, పేజ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ అని కూడా ఉంటుంది. దీన్ని కూడా ట్యాగ్ అనొచ్చు, కాంపోనెంట్ అనొచ్చు, మీ ఇష్టం. దట్స్ యువర్ విష్ దేర్. యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ పేజ్, యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ a tag, you can call it as a component there here. Your wish there, right? Now see, every tag in the visualforce page are having attributes there. Means attributes is properties. If you come to this page block, it is having the properties. If you come to this, if you come to here there, like if you come to this opening tag and closing tag of the page, it is also having some properties there. If you come to the page block, it is they are having some properties there. Okay, how we can find the properties means, if you keep your cursor on the opening tag there, keep it here and just press on the space bar. See all of the properties of this page. All of the properties of this page means, properties means attributes. They are the attributes actually. If you come to the page block, here also you can keep your cursor there here and press on the space bar. See all of the attributes. Attributes means properties. These all will say the properties of this tag there here. For example, for this page block, I'm going to take the title. Title is block 1. Title is, I'm going to say block 1. Save it. See that it is there in the blue color, man. It is there in the blue color. Save it and come to the output here. This. Can you find the block 1 here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me provide here the title for title attribute for there is a block 2. Now you can save it here. Go to the output here. Okay. See that it is a block 1. It is a block 2. Okay, man. Like this, we can create here this visualforce page blocks. You can create there. Oh, block spelling taprasena. Block 1 here. Okay. Block 1, block 2. Now inside this block 1, I want to put some information there. Again, go to your visualforce page. It contains some information here. Take this information. First, copy and paste this one in the notepad there. Okay, it's better there. Now I want to take this information. I want to take this data, and I'm going to paste it in the visualforce page there. Here, where is the developer concern? Okay, look at here this. I'm going to write here this like this. Are you getting? Like this. Salesforce training. I'm going to write here this. Some in the first page block, I'm going to put some data here. Look at here this, and after that, what can I write here is instead of I'm going to say here this. It is online training. I'm going to give the title as online training. Okay, and for the online training, Salesforce Classic, we have administration and development is there here. So we're going to use it here just like this. Look at here. Are you going to miss anything there? It is showing the error. Page block. Say I need to provide this. I need to provide the. Now you can check it here. Targeting. This is a first page block that contains Salesforce Classic training. Okay, Classic training that contains the modules like administration and the development. Everyone is clear with this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
we need to go with the save. Save it and go to the output here. This. See that? Are you going to get something here or not? Okay. Some information that you are going to get here. Is something that we missed here. This just leave this one. Save it and go to the output here. This is the page block 1 that contains some information like this. Let me go for providing the same thing for some other thing there, lightning training also. Go to your original first page. I'm going to paste it here. What is that? I'm going to provide the bold lightning training. Okay, bold. See this one. Here also I'm going to provide like some. You can see it is offline training there. Something. Right this. See that? This is the first page block. This is the second page block. Just click on the save one. You can see how we are going to get it here. This. It is the first page block. It's a second page block. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes,
Okay. Any confusions in this?
No, sir.
No,
No,
confusion, I think, right? We can use it here this way. Okay, good. Take this page and you do practice on this one actually. Okay, that's good. Okay, man. Next thing is come to the diagram here. Come to the diagram there. See, man, I have created the page block 1. It's a page block 1, page block 2. Again, this page block, I want to make it as some sections. Again, this page block also I want to make it as some sections. Means some other portion I want to make it here this. Look at here this. Just take this from there. I want to make it as a section. See this one? Something like this. It is one page block section. It is another page block section. Did you understand?
Yes,
First
understand.
page block. Again, the page block is divided into sections. It is one section. It is another section there. We can write the code like this. Fx colon page block
Section.
section. Okay, we are going to write like this. It's a opening tag only there. Let me go for providing the closing tag here. What is this? It's the closing tag there. Okay, it's the closing tag. Okay, man. The same thing we are going to use it for. Look at here is this one also there. So a page block we are going to make into the sections also there. Inside the page block we are going to make some sections there. Not only here there, man. Not only this. Okay. Again, this page block section I can make into some items there here. First, let me make here this. Let me create this page block section there. Look at that. Open your program. See, I don't want the second page block. I'm going to remove this one there. Okay, page contains the page block there. Remove this one. See the page contains the page block. Come here, this page contains the page block. Inside this page block, I'm going to create a page block section there. Okay, let me go for creating the inside the page block. I'm going to create fx colon page. Okay, block section. See that, and select with the enter button there. Again, press on the enter button. Again, press on the enter button. Okay, this is one section there. And the page block contains the title called online training, or we can say simply, I'm going to write here this Surya Tech Solve is the some name I'm going to put here. In this, I'm going to write here this for this section. I'm going to write a title there here. Take the attribute called title here. This title will be okay online training. Okay, I'm going to take one more section. If you want, you can copy it, enter everything there, and you can paste it here. This look at that. It's one page block section. It is another page block section. It is online training. It is offline training there here. Depends upon the requirement. You can create here. This. Okay. Okay, man. See this one. I'm going to save this page. Two sections are there here. Click on the save and go to the output here. This. Are you getting section here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is another section. See page. This is the page block, and the page block contains the sections here like this. I'm going to put some information there here. Better. Insert this first section. Okay, I'm going to put this. Then I'm going to write this information. Look at here this. See how I'm writing in the slanted direction, because when you go for resolving the errors in this one, this slant direction is very useful. Habituate like this. Right. Now we can write here this. And one more thing is there. You need to go with this. Now, can I go ahead? Can I save this one? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Click on the save. You can see the output here is. Can you find it? This section contains some information, and this section contains some information there. But one thing is possible here. If you want, you can expand, you can hide. Both are possible for the sections and the properties there. Look at here. If you click this reverse triangle, look at here this. You can hide it. Here also you can hide it. If you want, you can hide. You can if you want, you can expand. Okay, you can show it. Here also you can show it here. This that is possible there. No, sir. I don't want to make this. I don't want to make this one. This option I don't want to show it here. This means I don't want to expand it here, or I don't want to hide it here. This I don't want to hide it here. Design hiding nature is right. This functionality is there. I don't want here. I want to make it as it is there. Look at here this. In the page block section, I'm going to take one property there. Just press on the one more attribute. I'm going to take it here this. Can you find the collapsible? Can you find the collapsible or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Fine.
Just you have to make this collapsible as a false. Save it. Go to the output. Can you find that option here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is removed there here. Like this. If you want to make as it is here, you can do it here this. Collapsible equals to false. But by default, collapsible equals to true main. By default. That's why it's showing like this. Okay. Like this, we can create that. Visual first page. Take this code also. Okay. And last thing, let me come to another here. Page contains the page block. Page block contains the page block section. Again, this section I can divide into some items there here. Look at here this. See, some items I can make like this here. Okay. It is one page block section item. It is another page block section item there. See here, I can write the code like this. X colon page block section item. Okay, man. This is the one tag. Open tag. Copy it, and it is a closing tag there here. Closing tag will be like this. We have the opening tag is there and the closing tag is there. And the same manner, you can see this. The same thing here, we are going to put the another section. Hello, are you following me or not?
Yes, sir. Following.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
it.
Yes.
Okay, like this we can write here this. Okay, and this we will see. We will execute the data there. Section item. First, you do up to this one there. Take the screenshot of it. Take the screenshot of it. Or photo. Don't forget to take the notes. Speed up. Chala speed ga తీసుకోవాలి notes. Take these notes from the chat box. మన అర్థమైంది ఈరోజు క్లాస్ అందరికి ఏమండి
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలా ఓకే what about tomorrow session? Tomorrow is Saturday there. Okay, are you able to take that session or not? Hello.
No, sir. No.
No. Right. Okay, guys. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, and not tomorrow there. We'll meet on Monday to practice on those carefully there. ప్రతిసారి నో అంటే కుదరదు ఏదో రోజు ఎక్స్ట్రా క్లాసులు పడతాయి మనకి ఓకే ఓకే ఇక కావాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను 1 వీక్ ముందే చెప్తాను 1 వీక్ ముందే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఈ టైంకి ఇన్ని అవర్స్ తీసుకుంటాను ఓకే సో 1 వీక్ ముందే చెప్తాను కాబట్టి ఏమంటే అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేసుకోండి ఓకేనా
Okay, sir.
రైట్ అదే ఓకే గైస్ బై బై సీ ఎంజాయ్
Hello, sir.
సరే
Had late joining students today's lecture or yesterday lecture or tomorrow?
I have uploaded already. Please check it. Okay.
Hello.
See, I have uploaded there. you might have not seen that folder. Separate folder is created inside the folder. Open that. You can see on the top. You can find the development folder there. I have uploaded already. Okay. When you open your folder, okay, after opening the folder, on the top you can see the development. One more folder is there. Check it here.
Okay.
Understand? Okay.
Yes,
if you're
sir.
unable to, yeah, if you're unable to get
Tomorrow,
it, yes.
tomorrow lecture, yeah. Yes or no?
Yeah, I will upload. I will upload.
Okay.
Okay.